What is going on, guys? Bo Million here from Million Reflections Luxury Automotive Detailing. We are embracing Mr. Lad. We're embracing it. So feel free, go with it. Call your boy Mr. Lad. It is what it is. We're taking on the acronym, and it is, I officially have a stage name. So I'm going to be known around the detailing community as Mr. Lad. It's probably the funniest thing I've heard all day, but it is what it is. People seem to be calling me it, so we're going to go with it. Mr. Lad over here. Why not? You got Pan the Organizer. You got all these other people. Hey, why not? Why not Mr. Lad? There's nothing wrong with that. So, okay, I'm talking about that too much. Guys, I wanted to talk about a product. You see in the caption already, we're continuing Lat 26, but we're talking about a product that I've already mentioned and showed you guys before. But now that I'm actually using it in the real world, I'm using it in my detailing application, my detailing business. I'm on the job today, and I've already used it on a car, interior and exterior. And when the customer came out, they said, wow, that paint looks so much glossier than normal. It looks like a mirror. Now, I'm not going to say the product I've been using. All I will say is that it's known for having certain agents inside of it that allow it to harden to the paint. Most of you probably know what I'm talking about, but I'm not here to bash that product because I will still use that in certain environments. But with that being said, now that I've got a hold of this product, this stuff is good. I'm sorry, if you see a glare on the screen, I apologize. I'm still working with my phone over here on the tripod. But I used it on one car already. Now I'm on the next car here, and I want to show you exactly using it. Now, this is a vehicle that I've ceramic coated. You've seen me talk about it. You've seen me show this car before. When I did my Angel Wax Enigma video. So, as you know, I coated it with TerraShield. Tremendous ceramic coating, very affordable too. For 30 milliliters, I think it's like 50 bucks. It's very affordable. It's not the easiest to use, but it's extremely durable. So, just to be completely honest about it, but it's a good product. But I want to take you guys in, and I'm going to show you, Carnival Cruise Lines, baby. I'm going to show you, almost dropped that. That would have been awkward. Using this in the sun on a very hot panel in the environment. 4 sprays. We take it and we wipe and we wipe and we flip. Only reason why I did that, guys, instead of just flipping to the other side, is because it was a little wet, so I don't want to, you know, go against myself here. I'm not trying to go against the grain. But that right there, guys, is phenomenal. Now, I guess I can do a water test. I don't think it'll hurt. But, you know, the purpose isn't to show a water test here. But I didn't want to do a water test only because, you know, it's a ceramic-coated car, and no matter what, it's going to bead like a crazy one. But just so you can even see, I mean, actually, funny enough, this side, does it look a little drier? Maybe. I don't know. It is what it is. Who cares, right? But this stuff is really, really easy to use. I've used it on interiors as well. And normally when I use the other product on interiors, it's a little grabby on certain leathers. Not all leathers, but probably, I don't use it on natural leathers, but maybe it is natural leather and I'm not aware of it, but I don't think it's a natural leather. I know there's some type of coating on it, but it gets kind of grabby on the interior. And I've noticed this product is not grabby. It leaves a good finish on the interiors. It's not ultra shiny. There's probably some type of silicones inside of the product. I don't know exactly if there is or not. Let's see. Let's read it. I know I've read it before. Oh, ingredients. Let's go to that. Water and methyl alcohol. So there's some type of property in here, some type of polymer, some type of synthetic property that allows it to give protection and allows it to repel water. It's not supposed to be used to be a big water repellent machine here. If you want a big water repellent machine, wax the car. You know what I mean? Like, use a designated wax. That's where you're going to get water repelling from. DPC Armor, you can use that. You've seen me talk about it before. Even DPC Reflect or any other product, Bead Maker. I mean, there's so many products out there that are great for repelling water. This is a great quick detailer. This is a spray detailer. This is what you do at the end of a job. But what I love so much is when I took it up to a black car, it enhanced the gloss, and it reminded me of a cherry wax. When I would put it, back in the days when I actually used waxes, like natural waxes, it reminded me of when I would use cherry wax on black cars. It would bring out so much luster, and it would make it such a deep gloss. It reminded me of that. And so now the longevity, maybe a week, maybe 2 weeks at most. You know, you don't go to a product like this for longevity. You go to a product like this for shine, for gloss, for some slickness, smoothness, and slickness on the paint. You go to it for a last touch to remove any fingerprints. That's what this product is going to be good for. And it's going to be great for cleaning interiors as well and adding a layer of protection on your leathers and your plastics. And so that's what you go to a product like this for, guys. I know it's called detail wax, but that's because there is a bit of wax inside of it, whether synthetic or natural. There's a bit of wax inside of it that goes onto the panel, therefore it does protect the vehicle. But it's mostly meant for a quick detailer. That's why it's called a detail wax. Jonathan from Lat26 was very transparent. He said it's not the longest lasting product, but it's very easy to use, and I've noticed this as I've been using it. So this product is really, really good. I have not experimented it with a clay bar. I have not worked on it myself, although I saw Jonathan do it and it seemed to work very well. I'm even anxious to see what would it be like one-to-one in a one-to-one situation, diluting it that way with a clay bar. Who knows? I've got some heavy jobs coming up, or maybe we can go ahead and get into that. Who knows? But if you guys have seen my Instagram channel, yesterday I did a video talking about oxidation removal video. We're going to do that on Tuesday. But I just want to do a quick video, guys. It's really easy to use. The results are great. They're beautiful. Whatever. Well, sorry, I don't mean whatever. I'm just trying to move on to the next point here. It's a really good product, and I really do recommend it. This is one that I truly do recommend because it's so easy and versatile. You can use it on windows, glasses, interiors, exteriors, vinyls, and of course, if you have a boat, use a boat, RV. It's one of those products you kind of use for many, many different things. Even a last wipe down on the wheels, you could use it for there. Not the tires, but the wheels. So yeah, I just wanted to kind of explain that. But before, let's move on now. But before we end the video, I want to say, guys, Lat26 has been so gracious. Let me take you a little lower. Lat26 has been so gracious, such a great company. So many of you have been reaching out to them for the sample boxes, and I've been getting reviews and feedback. Please leave your thoughts below. These are my thoughts that I'm giving, but feel free to give some feedback in these videos below of what you think. So, for instance, if you got the sample box and you use the detail wax, leave a comment about your thoughts of it below this video. If you use the all-purpose cleaner, leave your thoughts, which, by the way, I do want to make one quick clarification. In the opening video, I mentioned something about how the all-purpose cleaner removes buffer trails and all that. No, I got my words mixed up. I did not mean buffer trails and marring, although I said that, and I do want to apologize. I am open to criticism, and I'm open to admit my faults. But that wasn't what I was getting towards. For some reason, I wasn't able to think the right word, but I was wrong by saying what I said. It does not remove marring. It does not remove buffer trails. What I meant to say was paint transfer. That's what I was getting at. And I just kind of, my mind was all mixed up because I was going through, I had so many products to review in one video. For just a quick explanation, I do apologize about that, guys. My bad, my fault. If you hate me, feel free to leave a thumbs down. It's all good, I understand, but I do want to admit my failure and admit my fault. I did not mean marring and buffer trails. I meant paint transfer. And he actually did it in front of me, and it worked. So it'll remove most paint transfers depending on the situation. Get the sample so you can try yourself. How about that? That being said, guys, go follow Lat26 on their Instagram account. Last I heard, they were so close to 1,000 followers on Instagram. Guys, let's do it. Let's get them to 1,000. Not only that, let's get them to 1,200, 1,500. Guys, let's get Lat26 up there on the Instagram world because they are a great company and they do so much for the detailing community, whether it's marine or automotive. They provide so much feedback and information and great products as well. So go give their channel a follow, go give them a like, subscribe to their YouTube channel as well. Go follow them on Instagram, follow them on YouTube and all that. Guys, show them some love and support because they want to do their best to serve you guys as detailers and enthusiasts alike. That being said, go ahead and check out lat26degrees.com. You can get a hold of your free sample box, and you can go ahead and get a hold of that. You can try these products out for yourself, free of charge, It's for free. you get the products in your hands for free unless you live in a distant continent. In that case, we might have a different conversation here. But even at that, try your best to get a hold of these products. They're very, very good. If you like some of these products, you want to buy them, use Mr. Ladd, MRLAD, in the coupon checkout box, whatever you want to call it, and you get yourself a nice little discount. And so that's the way of showing some love to you. So guys, you have been wonderful. Thank you to all my subscribers. Please like, share, and subscribe for more wonderful detailing reviews and content. I'm so excited for next week when we start doing this oxidation removal. And guys, thank you so much. You guys are wonderful. Love you all, and have a wonderful weekend.